Series of Oracle Fusion fixed assets. And today's session we will go through following topics. The functionality. Yesterday we have seen the addition of asset through manual process. Then we have mass addition through payables module. We merge the asset line and split the asset line, and we have run the depreciation and create accounting. And today we will first go through the CIP asset, capitalization of asset, and then we will addition of asset through ADFDI process, that is spreadsheet process. Then we will have a asset adjustment, transfer of asset, revaluation of assets, and retirement of assets, and then reinstatement of the asset. And then we will perform what if analysis. So now we will navigate to the instance. So we'll log into the instance. Right now we are Vision instance, and we will navigate to fixed asset module and click the fixed assets workbench. Now add addition. Add. We will select CIP and select the category. This is basically used to have assets which are added on due course, say during the course of time. So I will select asset, say I want to create a laboratory, equipment laboratory. I want to have one asset which takes say a month or two to create and to install that laboratory. So I will select one laboratory and provide the description as lab. I would say name nomenclature as a lab. Lab or say office lab I'm creating. Unit 1 and say I give the location. So the location I'm giving. Search the location. So I provide the location. Giving the location, say this is the California. And Summit. Okay. Some issues with the system, it's look like. Looks some issues with the system. CIP. Account asset category because CIP account doesn't define the category in the books. Okay. Sorry. I would select reset. Yes. I'll search. Yeah. Define that. I will define as building office. Sorry. Defined as building office. Say office lab. I want to select submit. Yeah. Now same has been defined. And now we will navigate to the. I'll open the separate tab. And through here, schedule processes. I will see the process. Search. Say my submit. This is 365. Search it down. You can see the asset has been added. Now from here, inquire the asset. So recent addition. You can see this asset number has been generated. That is 112,582. So now from here, I will navigate to. I will open another tab. And through here, payables. Payables workbench. I will go to the payables workbench. I have already created 2-3 invoices regarding that. I will navigate to that. I have created 2-3 invoices. That is electrical material I have and selected lines as a fixed asset clearing distributions set, and that is electrical wire and electrical light material. And I have given the category as building office, and my book is US Corporation and track as asset. And I have validated the same and do accounting. You can see I have created account. I have accounted by post to ledger. Cancel. Similarly, I have this invoice also, which is labor contract work, and I track that asset. And this is my book, and this is office building. And I validated the same and create accounting. And similarly, I have another invoice that is metal work supplier, and the lines, the building material, and I have taken the distribution set as fixed asset clearing and track the asset and provide the asset category as office building. So I have validated the same and create accounting also. Now we will run mass addition process. So from here, create mass addition process and submit date say today. And our asset book is US corporation, and submit the same. And through here, we will monitor the process, post mass addition process, creating mass addition process. We will refresh the same until it succeeded. So report has been created. We will look the reports. Here we are. We can view this. The report has been generated. So 3 invoices are there. That is labor. Yeah. Now we'll navigate to the invoice. Sorry. Asset workbench. We are right now in asset workbench. Refresh again. Navigate to the asset workbench, fixed assets. Here we are. You can see the 7 incomplete lines. So first we will provide the details, go through the details, all the lines details. So it is Q is new. First we will provide the in-service date. Say I will provide the details. The source line, go by the source line first. It's fine. This information, building material for lab. Material. Say material. Material. Insert new. Save and close. Just check it down again. Everything okay. And we are not provided the location. We will provide the location search. And that is my location will be my Redwood office, US Redwood office, where it is. Yeah, this is the Redwood City, California, Redwood City. Amount is okay, 15 years depreciation okay. And the depreciation convention is mid-month. It's taking okay. Other details. Yeah, that is okay. Save and close. Then another. I've taken the same. Say new. Capitalized. Okay. Go by the source information. Say electrical labor. Information. labor expenses and provide the location, the same location. Search. Yes, Redwood City. Okay. Save and close again. Now, next, I will provide the details, that is electric wiring material. Say electrical fittings. Electrical fittings. Yes, fittings. And provide the location now. Search. So this is Redwood City. Okay. Yeah. Save and close. Out here again. Provide as electrical fittings now. That is electrical fitting material. The comment also out here. And the location. Search. So location is my Redwood City, California. Okay. Other things are save and close. Then contract expenses. So this would be, yeah. I'm selecting the location again. Search the location. That is Redwood City again. Provide the location. The details. Source detail. That is contract expenses. Tractor expenses and building material. Contract expenses. Save and close. And rate. Say this. Okay. I'll again provide the details regarding location. The three fields are mandated. That is, one is category, depreciation expenses, and location, which is very mandated. This is the freight expenses towards the contract. And line 2, as per bill, having a line 2. So I'm providing the same. I will merge the line. Say I will say contract expenses. Contract. Expenses. The same. Save and close. So contract expenses, that is the same. Provide the same contract expenses, same line I'm going to provide that. So that is the thing. Contract expenses. A C Save and close. That expenses again, I'll provide the same. This is labor. Again, I will provide the description. Source. And provide the location, which is mandate field. So this is the redwood, and provide the details, that is miscellaneous labor on line 3 as per bill. Line 3 and save and close. Now I will merge this line into one. Merge this line into one line, and the parent would be set parent as this parent, and submit. And I will merge this line also, this electrical fitting, this and this. I will merge the same, merge the line again, and set parent at this one, submit again, and now I will navigate to again to the CIP asset. Through this, from here, I will to task inquire the asset. I will add the asset to the asset. I will add, since the cost is 0, I will add the all the details of this to that particular asset. So I will select first building material and add to the asset, and select the asset number is 112582 and search. Here we are, the asset office slab. Review the add asset and add the asset. And then I will select the next and select the same, and asset number is 112582 and search asset, select the asset, review and add the asset. Now I will select the third line and add the asset. The asset number is 112582. Search. Similarly, review, add to asset, and I will add the same. Now the last line, I will select and add to asset. The asset number is 112582. Search. Search the asset. Already added. So select again. Select the asset number 112582. Search. I think so. It has been added. So select the one line of it, that is this. Then add 1282. Search. I don't know why this. Let's prepare the at all and post all. This will trigger the post master addition process. Now we will go to schedule processes. Under tools, schedule processes, we will search the process. Its post master addition process is running. Now it has been succeeded. Now we will done again, refresh that same. Again, navigate again to the asset workbench. From here, asset, you can see the 3 asset has been added. To asset inquiry again, the lines has been added. So you can go to the asset and you can see the source line has been added. The asset number is 11. Done. Now I want to add this asset also. So I will select the same again. Everything is on hold. Yeah. Post. Save and close. Now ready. From here, I will select add to asset again. The asset number is 112582. Search. It's not searching. Cancel. To add the asset. Close. Date helpers. Wait. Select the same. Add to asset. Asset number is 112582. I'm searching the same. Where to find this? Cancel. Okay, I can do it in a separate way also. I will merge the line also. I can do that also. I will change the status to post. Save and close. Now from here, I will select the same. Issues with the cat as well. So Workbench again. Yeah. Select. Okay. So that is the expense one. We have to capitalize and then save and close. Now I will select add to asset. The asset number is 112582. Just hold on. I just taken a wrong course. Just select. That will be capitalized, not capitalized, CIP. Save and close. That will be not post on hold. Save and close. Now we'll select this, select, add to asset. The asset number is 114582. Yeah, this, add to preview. Now add this line. So preview. Just hold on. Some issue with the category book. Again, it's coming the same error. Some issue with that. It's the same. Taken the equipment as laboratory. There was some issues with that. Yes. Taken the laboratory. Reset. Yes. That is search again. And that is office building. Okay. Slightly. Save and close. And now from here, add asset. And the asset number is 112582. Review. Yeah. Now, from here, select ready post, select and post all. So similarly, I will refresh again. Yeah, the reports is running now. Now the things have been. Now you can view from here. Navigate to inquire asset. Now you can see the different line has been added. So the my cost. So done. From here, select and capitalize the CIP asset. Capitalize the CIP asset. Capitalize the CIP. Select that. The asset number is 112582. Search the same. Now you have the number. I was asking for capitalization now. So I will select the capitalization date. So I will select the date as 31st May. I said OK. Now. So now you can inquire. This transaction is succeeded now. From here, you can inquire the asset with the asset number. So here is the number. You can see the asset has been created with the source line, different source line, the CIP asset. It's coming from payables. All entries are coming from payables. So it has been capitalized in the during course of time. We have made the payment in different periods, and the asset capitalization has been done on 31st. So the depreciation, you can calculate the depreciation since we have not run the depreciation right now. As soon we run the depreciation and do accounting, the things will be reflected. So this is the way you can capitalize the asset through CIP. Now we will adjust the asset. How we can adjust the asset? We will see that. So taking the same asset, I can adjust the same. So adjust the asset. Say the number is same 112582. Search the asset. Yeah, the office lab. I want to change the category. You can change the category. You can change the financial details. You can transfer the source line and you can change the category. So I will change the category now. From here, I will select the category, provide the comment. Say I will say change to LAB lab and say category. I will provide the category. Search the category. Say I want to provide equipment office. Say I want to provide equipment laboratory. That is the thing. I want to provide the change. Yeah, building manufacturing. I'll say building manufacturing. And submit the same. Done. Through schedule processes, you can view the process. Now it has been updated. Similarly, you can go from here, inquire asset, and now you can see the category has been changed. From here, you can see just exited the same. Inquire, the category has been updated. View columns, show all. So you can view the category has been updated to building manufacturing. You can select that particular asset and to transaction. You can view the asset has been changed. It was before was building office. Now after that change, it is building manufacturing. So the transaction is CIP. You can see the CIP and the source through source line. You can drill down to the particular invoices. And the financial details are as per. So now we will move to other aspect we have to see, that is adjustment we have seen, and you can adjust the through say I take another adjustment, that is adjustment. Say that is the thing. I will cancel it down. a new tab. Asset. I take an inquiry of one asset. Say asset. I take say this asset. I will select the asset. This asset transaction. You can see the 12 units are there. I want to have the asset say 6. This is asset of having a Tata vehicle shifting to different location. I want to shift the 6 units to different location. So how to achieve that particular thing? The asset number is 112581. First I will select and adjust the asset. From I will select the asset, say 112581. Insert the asset again. Now I will select, transfer the that I have selected the wrong one. Selection. I have taken this is the transfer the asset. Yes. So transfer the asset. The asset is 112581. I will search the asset and say this is the asset. 12 minutes. I want to transfer the asset, or you can adjust the asset. I want to transfer the asset. So I will add one. Say this is 6 unit. I will and 6 unit. New unit is 6 and provide the details. 68151 68. Six, 8, 0. That is my depreciation account. Okay. And select my new location. Say I have transferred that particular to my New York. Say New York office and submit. I will provide the transfer unit trans NY. Submit. Done. So from here you can see every process, whatever you submit, it triggers in background a schedule process. You can see that. Now we will navigate to that particular inquire about that asset. This is the asset. Select the asset and view the transaction. Now you can see it has been 6 asset has been split. 6 has been splitted. 12 asset has been split to one in New York location, another one is the California location. So we can do that particular to this. So we have transferred that and then we will retire the asset and reinstate. So say I want to retire some of the asset. So by retiring the asset, I will select this task. Say I will select 112581 again, search. So I want to retire by unit. Say I select that and retire by unit. So I have got a two location out there. So I want to say one asset has been retired from this. One unit I will retire. Say one asset has been retired due to some defects on that, or it's unrepairable now due to, since it is a vehicle and vehicle is not in that condition that it can work properly, and I am retiring the asset now. So provide the comment due to mechanical fail, I want to say, and I want not going to proceed to, I am not removing anything. It's for a reason extraordinary I am providing, and convention the same. I have not sold anything. I'm just retiring the asset. So and retiring date, I am providing the 31st as the retiring date and say submit. So I'll submit the same, done. You can view the monitoring process. This triggered the one process. Online transaction, it's still running. Yeah, it succeeded now. You can view from here. Inquire asset again. So this is my asset. Select that asset and you can view the 5 units are now there. So cost string, the transaction, 2 transactions. We can say partial retirement. Here it is, partial retirement. One asset we have retired. So it is showing the partial retirement. We have not created depreciation and accounting. So we have to run the accounting. We will now I want to say revaluate the asset. I will say a revaluation of the asset. So I want to revaluate the asset. How can I do the revaluation? Select the revaluation. Add. Next. So provide the transaction. Revaluation double one. Say 31st 05 2. This is my revaluation. That is on cost. Okay. Comment. Value. So that is the, and you can provide the asset number. So I will first navigate to that particular asset which I want to reevaluate. The asset number I will take from here. Inquiry asset. So I want to reevaluate, say, my office lab. Okay. So I will select the asset number 112582. Okay. So I will select 112582 to 112582, and this is the criteria. I am selecting the percentage, and the percentage is say 2%. By 2%, the revaluation has been done. Include current depreciation full and submit the same. Then search the revaluation process by date. So that is the June. So that is the date I have selected. Selected the June or say June. That is May. Sorry, I selected the May, 31st May. Search. Here we are. My revaluation present process. I will select the same. Sorry. Search. Select PV. Search. That is the thing. Prepare the now the file has been downloaded. This is ADFDI sheet has been downloaded. Now I will select the enable. It will asking for credentials. I have to provide the credentials. Login credentials. Sign in. So this is the evaluation we have selected. Post is preview. Now I will select new. So say I will provide 2%. So say first I will navigate again to the so this is the recoverable value. Say fair market price is more than that. The 2% I'm saying, say it is percentage 2% amount value. If I say provide the same. Five, 7, 6, 8. Just I put the 8 out here. Okay. Other things remains the same and upload. Unable to command upload accepted cancel. Post percentage percent. would change to say percent to amount. I can say just basically taking the amount of this. So, okay. Okay. It has been submitted now. Now I will go done. Again, search the inquire the asset to select the asset. So revaluation is be there. So I have changed the bit of cost out here. So revaluation reserve has been created. Gain and loss has been created. Percentage is 2% by this way. And through out here you can see same. You can see the revaluation. This is the way we can do the revaluation and close the same. See, and the other things remain is I've gone through the asset add through ADFDI. Already we have seen that particular thing, and we will perform the what if analysis now. So what if analysis, first we will select and perform the what if analysis. From here, I will take the start date. See, that is my June. That is basically my last depreciation. I will say this is my depreciation period. The last depreciation is the May book is open. So now I will want to see what if after 4 months, what is the depreciation will be if I change the convention also. What will the depreciation? I will select the May. Starting period is the May, and the say 5 months from that. Select the asset type as capitalized and provide the asset number. If I say asset number, providing the asset number, say similar asset number, that is 112,582. Here we are to this asset, some one asset only. One two five eight two, and this is the selection criteria, and I want to create a scenario where I want to say straight line method STL search, that is the STL. STL method, straight line method, I would, and the life say 20, and this is the scenario we are creating. It will not impact our depreciation at all. It's basically a report to see how the depreciation will impact our assets. So from here again, we will navigate to schedule processes, tools, under schedule processes. So there again, we will select the same and schedule new process. What happen if tab out. Yeah. What if analysis report? Okay. The book, we have to provide the book, that is our book, this one, and the process ID. US showing up. There is some issue with the instance. Slot line. I will select the process. What if analysis? What depreciation analysis report? Okay. Select the book again. US bank. So I will see the previously run the report. I have already run this report. We'll see you the report basically. What is report is all about. So again, we will submit the same. Submit the same again. I don't know why it's not performing. Start date say provide a January again. Currency provide this. Save 5 months. And asset number is 112582 and 112582 and the depreciation straight line method and say live say 15 and the select is 0 and submit the same. Okay. Now I will monitor the process again. Select again. Schedule new process. What if report? Okay. Select the book. I don't know. The process ID should be shown. And through that we can see the report of the analysis. So this is the basically way to have that particular report. And in that report, it shows the how the depreciation will reflect after a certain period of time. So that's it for today. And so we have gone through the CIP asset capitalization, Addition of asset through ADFDI is pending, so I am not able to see that particular thing. So asset adjustment we have seen, transfer of asset we have seen, revaluation of asset we have seen, retirement of asset we have seen, the reinstatement of asset. You can perform the same by reinstating the same process. So reinstatement of asset, you can go through there. Cancel it now. Retiring reinstatement of asset. Say select the asset number, that is asset number as 112581. Search the asset again. So here we are. Extraordinary, we have retired it, and we can reinstate the same by just selecting select the warning, say yes. Yes. The same asset has been reinstated, and you can go to inquire asset, and you can see this again. The asset has been reinstated. So transaction, you can see the reinstatement of the same asset. One asset has been reinstated. So this is the way we can do all the activities of asset and asset workbench. That's it. Thank you.